Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to disable Microsoft Recall and disable Microsoft Spyware. Now, first, before we begin, you need to know that this feature might be very risky because this feature, it may take a screenshot of your credit card or any other information that you use in order to enter anything about your payment methods, including your bank account, your passwords, emails, accounts, and different services. Microsoft itself says that they only use it for AI purposes, but this doesn't mean they should take screenshots of your personal data. Now, to disable these features, I'll leave you down below in the description these codes or these sentences right here. Now we will have to open the CMD. So I'm gonna go to the search bar, then type here CMD, then right click on it, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes. Now we need to know that this method is primarily in the Windows 11 because it is the supported Windows for Microsoft. But here in my case, I'm doing this for the sake of the tutorial on Windows 10. First, you'll have to check the status. You have to check if this feature is enabled or disabled. So you'll have to copy the first code like this, then paste it right here, then click on enter. And because here I do not actually have Windows 11, it tells me these sentences, but you can see if you have Windows 11, if this feature is enabled, you can see an enabled words right here or disabled. This code was to know the status. Now, let's say that you want to disable it. You just have to copy this code, then paste it right here, then click on enter. And after that, the feature will be disabled and you can go back and copy the check status code and see if it is enabled or not. You just have to paste it right here, then click on enter and see if it is disabled or not. Now you may ask, what about this third code? This is if you want to enable the feature, but I do not recommend that, but I just left it if you need to know the code to enable it. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.